As we approach the end of January, I thought it'd be useful to share with you what we've seen in the early weeks of 2025 in the hiring market for digital procurement and supply chain. So I'm going to talk about what we've seen so far and then what those indicators might mean for the rest of the first quarter of this year. So you may remember from a previous video that we had a remarkably busy end to last year, and that's got implications which I'll come to. But as we came to the beginning of this new year, we always have a very quiet first week where everyone's getting back into the swing of things after the holidays. And then, as I anticipated, things really picked up. So the middle of this month has been really quite busy, and it's been really a repeat of what we saw at the back end of last year. A lot of focus on companies hiring, whether it be new headcount or replacement headcount, into the go-to-market functions: sales, pre-sales, alliances, customer success, product as well. And so those are all very, very active areas, largely for subject matter experts, people with real domain expertise in our marketplace. But as we approach the end of the month, I think we're going to see a very interesting couple of weeks now because of all the activity before Christmas. End of January is going to be a classic time for people to resign. They've probably got paid last year's bonuses and they'll be off to pastures new. So then you've got a lot more replacement headcount coming onto the marketplace. And we expect a lot of that in the subject matter expert level for the things like individual contributors in sales roles and pre-sales. But I'm also expecting quite a spike in activity in the leadership roles. Why do I think that? Well, we've had an awful lot of people who are in leadership roles come to us either side of Christmas saying they want to move in this first quarter of the year, the way they feel about the market, their current employers, what they're seeing elsewhere, some major changes in some of the big players, which you've probably read about. There's a lot of activity which is driving people onto the job market, and they also, of course, are networking themselves, get a sense of what else is going on around the marketplace, speaking to ex-colleagues and contacts. And I think we'll see quite a spike in activity in leadership roles for the second and third month of the first quarter, which may then also kick on in April as well, because some people may be getting those end of year bonuses from last year at the end of the first quarter, which might be a trigger resignation for them. So that's what we're seeing so far. So I think we're going to see quite a lot of real strong activity throughout into the spring. And if this really resonates with you from your own sort of career perspective, and you're looking for a new role, then of course we'd love to hear from you. And if you're a leader who needs to bring in some great people with strong domain expertise in procurement and supply chain, well, of course, we're in contact with so many great people looking for new roles that it really will be remiss of you not to get in touch or at least explore what we can do for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. I look forward to hearing from you.